Hello, today I'm going to show you our Mitel 5330 backlit refurbished phone. This phone is compatible with the Mitel 3300 IP communications platform, the Mitel SX200 ICP Release 4, and the Mitel Teleworker Release 4.5. All of our like-new refurbished products are tested and cleaned to perfection before they leave our warehouse. Included with this phone, you will receive a handset, a base, a new handset cord, and a new IP cable. A power supply is optional with this phone if you are not using a PoE switch. We offer a free 1-year warranty on all of our desktop phones to give our customers full confidence in us and our products.